Imagine waking up one morning, stretching, yawning, and then squinting. Not because you forgot to pull the curtains, but because there are two suns blazing in the sky. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi blockbuster, right? Well, today we're diving headfirst into that mind-bending reality. What if our cozy little Earth suddenly found itself in a cosmic tango with not one, but two blazing stars? Forget your morning coffee, folks. We'd have bigger problems. Like, is it always going to be summer now? Or, do I need SPF 1000? And let's be real, your chances of getting a decent night's sleep, 0. Because when one sun sets, the other one might just be rising, ready to play peekaboo with your dreams. Think about it, your wardrobe would be a nightmare. Do you pack for the scorching desert or the freezing tundra? Because depending on where Earth is in its chaotic dance, you could go from baking alive to an instant ice sculpture. Honey, grab the parka. Oh wait, the other sun just came out, better get the Speedo. Dating would be a nightmare too. So, do you prefer romantic sunsets or double sunsets that fry your eyeballs? Okay, enough with the fashion dilemmas, let's get serious. The first and arguably biggest hurdle for a two-sun system is stability. Our Earth currently enjoys a pretty chill, predictable orbit around our single sun. It's like a well-rehearsed ballet. But introduce a second sun, and it's less ballet, more mosh pit. The gravitational tug-of-war would be intense. We could be flung out into the cold, dark void of space, or worse, pulled into a fiery embrace with one of the suns. Talk about a bad breakup. Then there's the Goldilocks zone. You know, that just right region where liquid water can exist and life as we know it can thrive. With two suns, that zone wouldn't just be a zone, it would be a roller coaster of extreme temperatures. We'd swing from being too hot for water to exist to so cold that everything freezes solid. Picture your morning coffee. 1 minute it's brewing, the next it's a block of ice, and then, suddenly, it's evaporated into thin air. And the climate? Oh, the climate would be utterly bonkers. We'd see unprecedented heat waves that would make the Sahara look like a cool autumn day. The ice caps? Gone in a flash. Then, as our orbit takes us further from a sun, we'd plunge into ice ages that would make the current ones look like a mild winter. Superstorms, hurricanes, droughts, floods, all happening with dizzying speed and intensity. Forget climate change, this would be climate chaos on steroids. Farmers would have absolutely no idea what to plant. Is it corn season or doomsday season? But what if by some miracle, Earth found a stable orbit? What kind of life would evolve in such a bizarre environment? Plants would need to be super efficient at photosynthesis, perhaps with ultra-dark leaves to absorb every last photon, or incredibly reflective ones to bounce away excess heat. Animals might develop specialized internal clocks or even hibernate for prolonged cold periods and become super active during hot ones. Imagine creatures with skin that changes color from black to white to regulate temperature. Evolution is amazing, but this would be its ultimate stress test. For us humans, it would be a constant battle for survival. We'd probably live underground, venturing out only in specially designed suits. Our entire social structure would be dictated by the two suns. Think about how much our cultures are tied to day and night, seasons and consistent weather patterns. Holidays would be a nightmare. Merry Christmas! Hope you brought your hazmat suit, it's 150 degrees out. Our art, our stories, our very concept of time would be radically different. And can you imagine the tan lines? Forget two-tone hair, we'd be two-tone people. And let's not forget the light and shadows. With two suns, shadows would be a chaotic dance. Imagine trying to park your car. Good luck finding actual shade. Artists would have a field day, but architects? They'd be tearing their hair out trying to design buildings that could handle light coming from all sorts of angles. And navigating at night? Forget the moon. You might have two suns casting faint light, creating a perpetual twilight. So while the idea of a two-sun system is incredibly cool to think about, it also highlights something profound. How incredibly lucky we are to have just one perfectly placed star. Our single sun provides the stable energy, the consistent seasons, and the predictable rhythms that have allowed life to flourish for billions of years. It's the ultimate Goldilocks scenario, and we often take it for granted. Think about the simple joys we experience every day. The warmth of the sun on your face, the beauty of a sunset, the gentle predictability of the seasons. These aren't just random occurrences, they're gifts from our single star. If we lived on a binary world, those simple pleasures would be replaced by a constant struggle against the elements. It makes you appreciate that perfect golden orb in the sky, doesn't it? It's not just a giant ball of gas, it's our cosmic protector, our life giver, our steady beat in the vast silence of space. So, while a two-sun Earth might make for an epic movie, in reality it would be a terrifying, chaotic, and likely uninhabitable place. It's a powerful reminder of the delicate balance that allows life to thrive here, on our beautiful, single-sun home. Let's appreciate the cosmic lottery ticket we pulled, and the incredible privilege of living on this unique blue marble. What other crazy, what-if scenarios keep you up at night? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this cosmic thought experiment, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-bending science, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep looking up, but maybe just at one sun.